Well, hello there, welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Alicia. And here I share tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you build, launch, and grow your online store. So I recently received a request to do a video here on YouTube from one of our community members. The question asks, what are the most profitable niches? So I guess what the question is saying, what are the most profitable niches to get into with your online store? So I've actually seen this question pop up quite a bit within the community, and I've seen many online store mentors answer this exact question here on YouTube and on Facebook groups with their opinion on what the best niches are to get into for your online store. And don't get me wrong, some of these people are giving some really good advice. Some really tangible products that you can use that'll give you good profits in your business. However, I'm here to get you thinking about this question in a completely different light, and you might even be surprised at the answer I'm going to give you. So want to know what this most profitable online store niche is? Well, here's the thing, you already know exactly what it is. In fact, you probably consume, use, and purchase this product yourself. So what's the product? Well, it's the thing that you are most passionate about. Yep, you heard me right. The most profitable niche to get into is your passion. Okay, let me explain. If you want to have the best, most profitable niche, you have to source a product you're passionate about. A product that you use yourself, a product that you could talk about for days, a product that you could give advice on or create content on, and a product that you would proudly share with the world. Starting and building your online store takes a ton of time, a hell of a lot of hustle, and a lot of work. So if you don't love that product and the brand that you're promoting, then it's going to be really hard to make it profitable. Take my own online store, for example, Love Cocoa Bowls. Well, for one, love is actually in the title of my brand, but I'm actually really quite passionate about the product that I sell. But seriously, a few years ago when I decided to do a bit of a health kick, I was introduced to smoothie bowls. If you're looking at me going, what the hell are smoothie bowls? Well, let me just give you a brief description. So essentially, they're smoothies blended of fruits and vegetables, but instead of serving them in a glass or jar with a straw, they're served in a bowl and consumed with a spoon. They'll have toppers such as almonds and coconut, fresh berries. Oh yes, and they're absolutely delicious. They taste like banana ice cream. And the thing is, they're very, very popular within the vegan community because they're dairy-free. Just go to Instagram and type in the hashtag smoothie bowls and you'll just be blown away with what comes up. Anyway, so back to the story. So when I got myself hooked onto these smoothie bowls, I decided to open up an Instagram account where I could share my passions with other people within the community. I mainly posted user-generated content, which got me in front of more people that were in the community. Without much effort, the Instagram account quickly gained momentum, and I saw myself with thousands and tens of thousands of followers. Every day I would post up a new pic, so I thought, I'm spending so much time within this Instagram account and on my hobby, and I thought, well, why not try and make some money out of it? Why not turn my hobby into my business? So through discovering different hashtags and different accounts through Instagram, I was able to see what products were popular within the market and where there were gaps maybe in the market that I could fill. I discovered a product to sell and decided to launch an online store, hence Love Cocoa Bowls. And that said product, well, a bowl to hold your smoothies, of course. A coconut bowl. I knew that the product was perfect for the market because I spent so much time in it. I understood what the customers were looking for, what their passions were, what their struggles were, and what they believed in. So I just sourced a product that I knew they would buy, and voila, a profitable niche. So what I'm getting at with this story is, in order to find your niche, the one that you are going to be profitable in, is you have to look within yourself. Look at the products that you are passionate about. Creating and building a profitable business in any niche takes time, consistency, and hustle. But in saying this, I'm here to tell you that it is so worth it. I'm proof that by growing your business around your passion, you can create that dream store on the World Wide Web, one that you can be proud of. One that gives you the flexibility to work from home and spend more time with your family. A business that you can work on that lights you up. And the added bonus is that it can bring you some serious dough too. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, as I share tips, tricks, and tutorials every week here on YouTube. Oh, and one more thing. If you have ever thought about starting your own dream online store and you don't know where to start and you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all the steps and processes that go into building your online store, then you need to check out my free guide, The Ultimate Guide to Starting Your Online Store. It goes through the 4-step process that I have used to build my own online store and have recommended others use too to get their stores up and running. So click that link in the description box below and it'll give you direct access to the guide. Okay, so I'll see you again, same time, same place next week. Bye for now.